Oh yeah. I got this new bed for camping in my truck bed, so we're gonna do an unboxing right quick. Part of the review is from Milliard. Yes, and I slept on one of these at my buddy's house. And it was super comfortable, and the air mattress that I was using before in my truck bed popped and it's no longer holding air. So I'm gonna get this unpacked and go see if it fits. Well, you can hear it like inflating. These are the covers. They're all plasticed in right now, but these covers go on the pads and you can wash the covers, so that's pretty great. All right. Comes right out to here, and that will work really well inside the truck bed tent that I have, so that's gonna be awesome. Super cool. Sweet. I'm excited, very excited. Is thick enough to prevent me from being able to feel the ridges of my truck bed. So I'm going to put this plastic down so the bed doesn't get dirty. I'm going to put the bed down and then I'm going to lay on it. Oh yeah, plenty thick. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so much better. Yes. This stuff is really soft. Which is 75 inches by 38 inches. And I got the 4-inch thick one. 4-inch tri-fold mattress. Man, it's just right. It's gonna be great.